Hi, I'm Vicx and I've been travelling the world since June 2022 after quitting my job. Last week I arrived in San Cristobal, a beautiful city in Chiapas, Mexico. I recovered from dengue fever, so obviously I'm already pretty sick. Went on a walking tour to explore the city, met 3 amazing Irish girls, watched a lot of football and tried the local drink posh.
Like a wine, this has 18% volume alcohol. This is
And now I am waiting for the arrival of my friends Lewis and Jack to spend Lewis's birthday together here in San Cristobal.
Hey guys, it's Lewis, how you doing?
But it didn't quite go to plan. But first, Jack has arrived, so naturally we went on a night out to celebrate. So we now have vlog evidence that Kira's promised that she's going to come out tonight. Yeah. So basically, today has just been a day of watching football. So we've had quite a few beers. And we're going out tonight. But
I'm going
so
out
Lewis from
up?
Albania,
I want to see you.
he got stuck at the border. So he's on his way here. We've got Jack here. Hey! And he's one of the boys from Albania. And we are going out tonight. And the girls have dressed me up and they've done my makeup and I'm feeling fantastic and I am ready to go. Thanks for participating. Happy birthday to you. So that evening we blew up some balloons and put some banners out, but unfortunately Lewis had food poisoning, so he only managed to come down for like 10 minutes, but we took a picture and photoshopped him in it anyway so that he felt like he had his birthday there. Good morning and welcome back. Welcome to the canyon. I don't really know what the canyon is called, but we are at a canyon. So, sorry, do you want to say that again, Mariah?
Canyon de Sumidero.
So apparently we're at that canyon. But yeah, so basically we're on a full day tour today. We got picked up at 9 o'clock this morning from the hostel and we are going to be going on a boat in the canyon, but first we've just stopped off at our first viewpoint and yeah, it's really, really pretty. It's really, really big. So I'm looking forward to getting down there. God damn. Pretty excited to do the canyon tour. Once more with enthusiasm. So we've now been to 2 viewpoints and we have stopped for, I don't think we've really stopped for lunch, we've stopped to pick up lunch and got a cheeky little iced tea and a ham and cheese sandwich. Awkward. You look like you work in a chicken shop. So I'm pretty sure that we've just arrived where the boat is going to be. And I've got a little friend here who's a bit scared of crocodiles. Are you excited or are you scared?
Yeah, I can't wait, I'm scared. Don't make me go on.
So yeah, I think we're at the place where the boat is. I don't really know how long the boat is, to be honest with you. Lewis just went in and booked it for us yesterday, so we're just kind of going with the flow, but vamos, I guess.
Hicieron una construcción más adelante, una hidroeléctrica. Flores de color amarillo, de color morado.
So now randomly outside Electric's viaduct, we pulled up next to another boat that's got a bar on it, and we're getting a few beers, as you do when in Mexico. Cheers!